So it rained recently and I checked all the basement in the house and everything was dry except this one spot where there's definitely wetness here coming through. And I am worried about the basement getting wet and all this calcium that getting washed out from whenever water coming through. And I've been offered to put in French drains for like $40,000. So I've been trying to figure out what could be causing this wet spot. And so one thing I noticed is that the cement here is pretty healthy, even though there's calcium right there. There's none of this. There's none of these like deeper cracks up there, and there's also not much down here either. This looks okay, but it's all like right in this spot, and there's some water in there. So I've been trying to figure out what could be possibly causing this. So let me show you outside. Outside, I put this little water jar just to test maybe there's water coming in from there. And it was raining a lot, so I kind of checked the soil. It was wet here, wasn't that wet there, and wasn't wet on the top as much. But it was all really wet here. And now we know why. It's confirmed. This is the pipe where it's all coming from. So this little PVC pipe is coming from the HVAC room, where I think there's a dehumidifier that is picking up all this extra wet air from the rain that's been happening lately. So it's not the rain that's coming in through the soil or groundwater like all those French drain guys were saying. It's the wetness coming from the air inside the house. So yeah, we're just gonna route this somewhere else.